Understanding condom use in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic that's essential for both health and safety: condom use. This term may come up in various contexts, and it's important to understand not just what it means, but also how to discuss it appropriately in English. So, let's get started. When we say condom use, we're referring to the act of using a condom during sexual intercourse. Condoms are a type of contraception and also serve as a protection against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. It's a phrase that encompasses understanding what condoms are, how they are used, and why they are important for sexual health. Condom use is crucial for several reasons. Preventing STIs. Condoms are one of the most effective methods to prevent the transmission of infections such as HIV, gonorrhea, and chlamydia. Birth control. They are also used to prevent pregnancy. Sexual safety. Using a condom is a sign of responsibility towards one's own health and that of their partner. Using condoms correctly is key to maximizing their effectiveness. Here's what you need to know. 1. Check the expiration date on the condom package. 2. Open the package carefully to avoid tearing the condom. 3. Place the condom on the tip of the erect penis and roll it down to the base. 4. Use lubrication if necessary, but make sure it's compatible with the condom material. 5. After intercourse, hold the condom at the base while withdrawing to prevent it from slipping off. 6. Dispose of the condom properly. Do not reuse it. It's important to be able to talk about condom use with a partner. Here are some tips. Be clear and direct about your intention to use condoms. Discuss any allergies, like latex, to find suitable condom options. Share responsibility with your partner for using condoms. If you're teaching, role-play conversations can help students practice. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the term condom use and its importance. Remember, it's about more than just the mechanics. It's about taking care of yourself and others. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.